Highlights of Angel Island sites, in order going counterclockwise from the visitor center, are as follows. Built by the U.S. Army in 1863, Camp Reynolds is the oldest permanent settlement on Angel Island, and today it's one of the best preserved groups of Civil War military buildings in the country. Almost a century later, an underground Nike missile silo was built on the southeast corner and used until 1962. In the early 20th century, Fort McDowell, also called East Garrison, replaced Fort Reynolds. This facility was used to process and stage troops for the Spanish-American War, World War I and II. After World War II ended, the Army closed the camp and declared Angel Island surplus property. It lay unused until the Cold War. Perhaps the most famous chapter in Angel Island's history was its life as immigration station from 1910 to 1940. During that time, 1 million new immigrants were processed before beginning their lives in America. Because of exclusionist policies, many Chinese immigrants were detained on Angel Island for extended periods of time while officials checked and rechecked their paperwork. Out of frustration, many of them carved poems into the barracks walls, which are still visible today. Guided tours of most of these locations are offered on weekends and holidays.